An illusion now dealing with time, where time is like a river flowing from the unknown future into the present moment, into the backwater cesspool of our memory. Speaking of my own memories, of course. Start with a pack of cards. To begin with, your name again was? Michelle. Still is. Michelle? Rochelle? Michelle, I'd like you to choose a card from the pack to represent the unknown future. Slide it out of the pack, the unknown future. And so that it remains unknown and ever present on our minds, I'm going to place it into the zippered compartment of my genuine simulated leather wallet. We'll get back to it in the future. In the meantime, Robert, I'd like you to choose a card to represent the present moment. I'm going to dribble through the cards. Just call stop wherever you like. Stop. Right there, take the card, look at it. Remember, in fact, I want you to sign your name on it. So if you look at it at some future date, you'll be reminded of this, what will then be past event. Get it? In the future, he's going to look at it. It's present now, but okay. And place it on top of the pack. First of all, what I would like you and everyone else here to do is just remember this moment of your 3 diamonds, that is, Robert, being on top, because it's not going to stay there long. See, it's going to get lost in the shuffle. Now, at this point, I could go ahead and try and find the card, or I could. Well, really, we can't. Let's just say that we could go back to when your card was on top. See if we could go back to when it was still on top. It would still be on top. Yeah. But we'll go back. We'll go back to when it was still in the middle. Obviously, it's not on top now, right? But if we went back about 4 seconds in time, it would once again be on top. Yeah, but we'll go back a little further just after you picked the card, right? I dribbled through the cards. You said stop. You stopped at this card. Then I handed you the marker. Do you know why I handed you the marker? That's right, because at that point in time, the card didn't have your name on it yet. Well, we'll go back to before I handed you the marker, before you picked the card. Obviously, if it was before you picked the card, I wouldn't be standing here holding it. Oh, yeah, thank you. We'll start over again. Thank you. I'll just dribble through the cards, call stop wherever you like. Stop. Right there, take the card, look at it, remember it. And you didn't, did you? You couldn't help pick the same card because time's working in cycles. Anyway, after you picked it, I handed you the marker, and after you finished signing your name on it, I asked you to place it on top. I asked you to remember this moment of when it was Robert was on top of the pack, and we lost it in the shuffle. I said maybe we could go back to when it was still on top, and then we did. And actually, I could go on like this all day, back and forward in time. But the fact is, none of this is really possible. You see, these are all hypothetical possibilities of a nonlinear flow of time. No, but there is one thing that is possible. You remember the card you chose to represent the unknown future? Well, it's true. In fact, it's inevitable that the unknown future always, eventually, becomes the present. Your souvenir.